In this video, I will show you how you can fix if the dual SIM option is missing from the Messages app on your Android phone. Now, if you're trying to message someone, but if the option to select the SIM card for messaging is missing on your Android phone, first of all, just open the contact which you're messaging, then tap on the three dots over here. From this menu, just select Details, and over here you will find the option for Send With. Now, if you tap on Switch, you will be able to select the SIM card with which you want to message the selected contact. As you can see, it is currently on SIM 1, but you can also select SIM 2. As you can see, if I send this message, it will say that it is sending this message using SIM 2. Just like that. But if you're using a specific Messages app, for example, if you're using the Messages app which came with your Android phone by default, so in that case, first of all, just open the Messages app, then select the contact. Now just tap on the name or the number of the contact. Now if you're unable to change the SIM card from here, just go back, and the contact, just look for an option for the SIM card. As you can see, this is the icon for SIM card. Just tap on the icon and select the SIM card with which you want to message this contact. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.